Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself look slimmer on CapCut PC. You can use this for videos as well. This is just an example. So I'm just going to select this picture here and I'm just going to make her slimmer. I mean, she looks fine the way she is, but this is just an example. Go to video, go to enhancements, well, go to retouch. Then you're going to go to the body section and you're going to enable body here. You can make yourself look taller. You can make yourself look slimmer using the body one, as well as you can make your waist thinner as well and your head smaller if you'd like to. You can also adjust your hips here, but that's a pro feature. And that is pretty much it. The rest are pro features, but the main ones aren't, so just use that one. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!